Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can get some free ZK tokens on different protocols on the ZkSync era network. Now I know ZkSync era airdrop has been disappointment for most of the genuine users, but you still have the chance of getting some free ZK, which I've already claimed from some different protocols. And in this video I'm exactly going to show you few protocols where you can claim your free ZK tokens if you are eligible. Now, before we move on to ZkSync free tokens, if you want to buy coins and tokens on a centralized exchange or deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as crypto505. And if you want a crypto content in Hindi or Urdu language, I have one alternate channel which is Altcoin India Hindi. You can go ahead and subscribe to this. Now I will be uploading videos on this once I'm back in Dubai by end of this month. Now the first protocol that we are going to talk about with regards to free ZK is GRBT. Now I have covered GRBT in most of my videos. Now in order to create an account on GRBT, you will need to have a invite link. Now you can use my invite link over here. I have 6 weekly quotas left for this week where you would be able to go ahead and create your account on GRBT. Now once you create your account on GRBT, you can basically collect these boxes over here by completing this simple task over here, and in future there would be more tasks which would be coming, and I think this would give you some raffle tickets where you will be able to go ahead and upgrade your boxes. Now I have collected, if I remember correctly, around 5 or 6 boxes over here, and GRBT is going to reward their users with ZK tokens as well as their own token, which is GRBT token. Now this thing is live, which we'll cover in the later part of this video. Now as you can see, in total around 2.4 million users are there on GRBT, and I think there is a huge waiting list for GRBT still. If you want to go ahead and create an account on GRBT. Now once you complete this, you will be getting these boxes over here, and apart from this, as you can see, they have this two options that are coming in the future, where if you deposit your ZK on GRBT, you would be able to hopefully get some additional ZK allocation from GRBT, and as well as there are some trading activities. So if you are in trading and if you want to deal maybe in futures or derivatives, you can start using GRBT protocol over here, which will give you some extra ZK tokens over here. Now apart from this, there is this GRBT reward over here, which is ecosystem rewards over here, and as you can see, they have this reward league over here, and I think more the points, more the GRBT tokens and ZK tokens they would be allocating over here. And as you can see, my current rank is close to 3000 out of 2.4 million, which I'm pretty much happy. I think it's a decent rank, and hopefully I get at least a small allocation maybe of ZK and GRBT from them. So this was with regards to GRBT as to how you can get some free ZK as well as GRBT tokens. Now the next one I'm going to talk about is Velocore. Now Velocore, as you can see, they have clearly mentioned that there would be ZK airdrop for Velocore as well, and the proportion is like 80%. If you have provided the liquidity pool on the Velocore, then 80% would be 80% of the ZK would be allocated to you, and then 10% is basically for their governance and votings, and 10% would be for the loot boxes. Now these are the loot boxes over here where you can go ahead and claim this 3 loot box every day. Now as you can see on the top, they have mentioned ZK airdrop for Velocore. Now I have already claimed a few of my ZK on my main wallet over here, and this is just the burner wallet which I am using for the video purpose. Now apart from this, if you are holding SOB NFTs and if you have staked your SOB Gen 1 NFTs over here, then most probably you would be eligible for ZK tokens as well, because the team has announced that they would be distributing ZK tokens to SOB Gen 1 NFT stakers, and as well as they have their own game which is coming, which is SOB Mutant staking, and they have this separate collection over here which is SOB Mutant, and I think the staking for that as well will go live from 27th of June, and they would be distributing ZK tokens in the future. Apart from that, they have their own upcoming token which is SOB token, which would be coming in the future. Now if we talk about the floor price of SOB NFT over here, Gen 1, it's like 0.011 ETH, at the time of making this video. And if we talk about the SOP mutants over here, uh, we'll wait for the interface to load, and as you can see it's like 0.0042. Now more the rare the SOP mutant, more the rewards you would be getting for SOP tokens in the future. Now apart from this, Bingit haven't announced any plans of distributing ZK tokens to the community, but in the future they might do it because they are busy with their own token pre-sale over here. And as you can see, they have managed to raise around 52 ETH with regards to the token private sale, and this is getting over in 4 days. Now Bigint is basically a launchpad and an NFT marketplace, and hopefully we are not sure because none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research, but if they manage to do some ZK allocation airdrop to their existing users, they might go ahead and do this. Now apart from that, there is something called as Zi-Fi. Now Zi-Fi have their own quest. Now if we go over here, and as you can see, they have this a gas point quest over here where if you spend some ETH on Zi-Fi for paying the gas, basically they have these different epochs over here where you would be able to earn some boost as well as some multipliers, and I think you might be getting the Zi-Fi tokens over here, and they have managed to raise some additional fundings over here. Now we are not sure whether they would go ahead and distribute ZK tokens because all the protocols that I am talking about right now have received ZK grants from ZK ecosystem. Now apart from this, SyncSwap has announced that they would be distributing 100% of their ZK supply back to the community, and that is somewhere around, if I remember correctly, 5.65 million ZK tokens. Now most probably they would be looking for something in the pools over here, and as you can see there are a lot of pools. So there is this ZK2 USDC and then ZK2 ETH. Now if you go ahead and add some liquidity over here, they might be able to give you ZK allocation as well as their own upcoming token, which is SyncSwap. Now we don't know when this SyncSwap token would be coming because they haven't announced anything yet, and it has been pending since very long. Apart from this, I think Hold Station would be also doing some ZK token airdrop back to the community 100%, and I will leave all these links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. And I think they have this treasure chest over here. Now if you open the treasure chest, you might be eligible for ZK tokens in the future. Now I am not sure whether it is live or not. I will need to go ahead and check whether I have some treasure box on Hold Station in my wallet, but I will go ahead and check it today. Now apart from ZK, there is this meme coin which is called as KZ over here, and this has been actively promoted by different KOLs on the ZkSync ecosystem over here, where if your wallet is eligible, you will be having some KZ points over here, and these points can be converted. Now not all points are converted to their token which is KZ tokens, because some users are able to convert it and some are not. And since this is my burner wallets, that's the reason why it's showing 0 KZ points over here. But as you can see, they have this tokenomics over here where you can go ahead and check the tokenomics, which is 100% to the community. Now apart from this, there is another protocol which is Reactor Fusion, which I have been using for a long time, and I managed to get some RLP as rewards over here, and I will need to go ahead and check whether I am eligible for the ZK airdrop or not. So as you can see, they have this plan over here, ZK airdrop for RLP, and then there are different milestones, and then you can go ahead and basically check if you are eligible for some ZK airdrop on Reactor Fusion. You can go ahead and claim this over here. Now the claim deadline is like 19 July, which is next month, so you have to be quick in order to go ahead and check if you are eligible, and you can go ahead and check your ZK eligibility over here. Now to be honest, I haven't sold any of my ZK allocation. The reason being, I personally feel that there might be second round of ZK allocation, and those who have actually gone ahead and provided the liquidity, they might be able to get some additional ZK allocation from the ZkSync team in the future. Although I mean we are not sure of it yet because we don't know the plans of ZkSync team and the ecosystem as a whole. But to be honest, it was a bit of disappointment seeing the total allocation of ZK tokens to the community. Now, apart from this, the last protocol that I'm going to talk about is ZkSwap Finance. Now, they already have their own token, which is ZF. Now, I don't think they would be doing an airdrop for their own native tokens. And also, I think they haven't mentioned anything about allocating ZK tokens to their community, but maybe in the future, like if you go ahead and add some to liquidity pool over here, you might be able to get some ZK allocation from ZK Swap Finance. So these are some of the protocols as to how you can get some of the free ZK allocations as of now. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.